Makes me feel good. Yeah, I feel a little better. Yeah, I do. Not real good.
I want to know which guy had to put the one socket.
Well, you had a great day, enjoyed delicious food, and took the opportunity to experience some wonders.
Minus the food.
Oh, cool. If you didn't have the opportunity to have one of those big park on the side, dining, relaxing, and all the things. You might not put this on your list of things to do when you visit us again. As we descend from the mountain, you see below you the desert city.
Here comes the tower.
Great ahead. The city's left. Closer to us and right is the city of Palm Springs. Going farther to the right of our travel is Cathedral City, Rancho Mirage, Indian Wells, Palm Desert, La Quinta, Indio, and Cujo. You may have noticed on your way up the many windmills you see to the left of our travel. Those whirling blades are powered by the almost constant winds that pour out of the mouth of the Manning Pass. The electricity that these windmills generate is sufficient to power thousands of homes in our state. Well, why don't you kick back and enjoy the view of our beautiful Coachella Valley, and I'll be back in a couple of minutes.
Promise. This video is going to be crazy every time I have to upload it on my Wi-Fi at home. My ears just popped.
Pretty awesome, isn't it?
We're about halfway home now, and it's your last chance, at least on this trip, to breathe in some of that fresh mountain air.
I hardly ever watch that. I've never been to we would probably not.
That's what I did. Lights. What's that?
Plus never armpits. Yeah.
Yeah, good, man.
Did you notice that one?
No, I got almost like
That's a pretty good scratch.
That's what she
He
said.
was holding on for dear life. He was scratching. I did, but he was talking, he didn't even notice it. I suppose you get used to it. Just
Yeah, how much warmer it's
yeah,
getting.
it seems to I thought it'd be more.
Down below us, you'll soon be able to see the roof of the tank. Stores the water collected from the streams that flow in the canyon. That water, and for that matter, all of the food, materials, and other provisions that are used in the mountain station have to be transported up on these tram cars. Water from the valley station is pumped into the tanks that attach to the bottom of the cars, which are then emptied at the mountain station. Each car can carry 800 gallons of water. Now, we limit that depending on how many guests we're transporting in each car. We'll be pulling into the Valley Station dock in just a few minutes. We know that you take with you memories of a great adventure of your visit
Ounces of
to a
water
state
weighs a
park
pound.
that encompasses
Yeah, cool.
13,000 acres of pristine wilderness, 54 miles of hiking trails, and 6 primitive campgrounds. But I doubt you covered it all today. Depending on the time of the year you visit Mount San Jacinto, you could see one or more of the 14 different mammals who call the mountain home. From deer mice, California myotis bat, ring-tailed cat and a bobcat, to maybe a mountain lion or coyote. They're all there to see. Or you might spot some of the 63 species of birds, such as the golden eagle, Steller's jay, dark-eyed junco, red-tailed hawk, white-headed woodpecker. You get it. There's just too much to be experienced in just one visit to this magnificent mountain.
Sell it. Sell it. Yeah, I feel like the air up there better.